Renovating's hard work, but with quality Samsung appliances, finishing the job is easy. Take the quiet direct drive washing machine. The motor is very quiet as it doesn't use belts or gears. And reduced vibrations means it's even more reliable. Just one example of Samsung making your life simpler. Another smart feature, the diamond drum. So gentle it prevents clothes from getting caught or damaged.
And there is more hot weather on the way. Kate Freebairn, we're headed for our first heat wave this summer.
Well, Beck, we're heading into 6 consecutive days of temperatures above 35 degrees. So the beach will no doubt be a very popular place to be for the rest of the week. Today, thousands soaked up the sunshine over on Collie Reserve here at Glenelg for the Bay Sheffield. And the finals will get underway in about an hour's time, so if you can, head down to check them out. Let's take a look at tonight's weather photo. Chris Stevens snapped this sunset while he was on a fishing holiday at Sejuna's Davenport Creek. So thank you very much, Chris. And if you have a weather photo you'd like to send in, you can email it to us at the address on screen now. Well, today Adelaide's top was 28.8 degrees at 3 this afternoon. Our low was 14.4 at 6 this morning, and right now it's still 27. Across the suburbs, it reached 27 degrees at Elizabeth, 26 degrees at Noarlunga, and a top of 25 at Glenelg, Murray Bridge and Mount Barker. Around the state, maximum temperatures ranged from 19 at Mount Crawford up to 34 degrees at Maree. Interstate, there were a few showers in Canberra. It was a hot day in Perth with a top of 35 degrees, and it was mainly fine in the other major centres. Taking a look at the satellite photo, you can see some patchy low cloud which is being driven onto the coast by cooler southwest winds, triggering the odd shower. Skies are clear elsewhere under a ridge of high pressure. And the greatest chance of rain tomorrow will be across the Northern Territory and Queensland. Interstate tomorrow, there'll be some showers about in Sydney and Melbourne. Some storms are forecast for both Townsville and Darwin, but it will be mainly fine and sunny in the other major centres. Back home, expected maxima range from 22 degrees at Kingscote up to a warm 35 degrees at Roxby Downs. For the suburbs, 31 degrees is forecast for both Elizabeth and Murray Bridge tomorrow, 29 degrees for Glenelg and a top of 28 degrees for both Mount Barker and Noarlunga. On local waters, southeasterly winds at 5 to 10 knots, turning southwesterly during the morning and increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the early afternoon, and seas rising to 1 metre. The state forecast for tomorrow, it'll be mild to warm in the south, grading to very hot in the far north, with moderate southeast to northeasterly winds. Looking at Adelaide for tomorrow, we're expecting another mainly fine and sunny day, much like today, down to 14 tonight, then up to 30 tomorrow. Taking a look at the week ahead, it will warm up into the mid-30s by Friday, and the New Year's weekend will be very hot. The Bureau is still forecasting a top of 37 degrees for New Year's Eve and up to 39 degrees for New Year's Day. That hot weather will continue on Monday with another top of 39 degrees. Then we could see some showers developing on Tuesday, but it will stay very warm with another top of 36. And unfortunately, there's no relief in sight. That hot weather will continue on Wednesday with a top of 35 degrees.